Alliance Gator. Gator Maxx G2. Rapid set technology made with state-of-the-art manufacturing process. Specifically, calibrated sand mixed with sophisticated intelligent polymers. This new generation of intelligent polymers neutralizes haze and dust. No blower is needed, and the intelligent polymeric sand requires only one watering and rains safe after 15 minutes. Ideal for concrete pavers, wet cast products, and natural stone with joints up to 4 inches. It can also be used on false joint pavers, ideal for residential and commercial applications, also Gator base applications. Gator Maxx G2 Rapid Set Technology, the cleanest, fastest, and easiest polymeric sand installed in the industry. Gator Maxx G2 offers the trendiest natural colors that last and will enhance the pavers of today. Gator Maxx. They are beige, slate gray, ivory, and black diamond. Gator Maxx G2 Rapid Set Technology can be used in multiple application types such as overlay and traditional applications. In this scenario, we show both applications using the G2, an overlay application over concrete slab and traditional application. Overlay Type 1 over a concrete base paver will be laid on a bedding sand. Overlay Type 2 over a concrete base paver will be laid over bedding sand and compacted crushed stone base. Finally, the paver joints will be filled with Gator Maxx G2. G2 Rapid Set Technology works when you work. In overlay applications, G2 polymeric sand sets are above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and no rain in the forecast within the next 24 hours after water activation. For traditional applications, the paver joints will be filled with Gator Maxx G2. G2 Rapid Set Technology works when you work. For traditional applications, G2 sets above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and is rain safe after 15 minutes of water activation. Gator Maxx G2. Simplified 4 easy steps installation. Step 1. Spread G2 with hard bristle broom. Make sure the G2 completely fills the joints. Leave a layer of G2 on the surface to aid in the vibrating and consolidation of G2 into joints. Step 2. Vibrate the G2 into the paver joints using a vibratory plate compactor. A protective pad is recommended. Compact in several directions to ensure there are no air gaps or voids in the joints. Repeat steps 1 and 2 to ensure joints are filled and consolidated. Step 3. Sweep off excess G2 from the paved surface, first with a hard bristle broom, then a soft bristle broom. Level must be at least 1/8 of an inch, 3 millimeters below the top paver surface, or 1/8 inch, 3 millimeters below the chamfer. For textured or pre-finished surfaces, we recommend to remove all the sand from the paver or slab surfaces prior to using the plate or roller compactor. Step 4. Use a watering gun connected to a garden hose. Set to shower. Activate the G2 by showering 30 square feet, 2.8 square meters section for 30 seconds, starting at the lowest point. Gator Maxx G2 Rapid Set Technology, the cleanest, fastest, and easiest polymeric sand installed in the industry, along with no dust, haze-free, no blower, and 1 watering, and rain-safe in 15 minutes. Alliance is the only manufacturer offering a 15-year limited warranty on all their G2 Sand Rapid Set technology. To learn more, visit us at alliancegator.com.